Good morning, beautiful people. It's Sherry Moulton back with another video. Don't you love my new top I just bought? And as you noticed, I did get my hair cut. No more COVID hair. Woohoo! So today you are in my kitchen and we are going to make some broken glass glitter. For you people that can get this at Michael's, right now it's just the same. You can buy it either in these little containers or you now can get it in this bag. The bag is $9.99 in Canada and it's on for 50% off. So I bought a couple yesterday just because. So anyway, so we're gonna try and make it because I've been getting quite a few comments from my friends in Australia and in the UK that can't get it. So this is the version. So I'm going to bring you down and I'm going to show you what I've been doing. This is how, when I was making jewelry, I used to make broken glass jewelry. So these are marbles, and the method I did for this, I would bake them in the oven, but we're going to do the stovetop. So I've had this already going, so we could just go quick. So I put it on high. I have it in my, I don't think the pan matters, but this one is those rock pans. And I did it for, on high, not even maybe 8 minutes, just enough you want them to get hot. And then what you're gonna do is throw them in a ice bath of cold water with ice to shock them, and that will crack it. And then from there, we will take a hammer and do the rest. So I'm just going to show you right now what I've got done here. I'm going to bring it down. Ignore my messy kitchen. So, there we go. Okay, so this is my pan. I'm going to use my trusty mitten. Take it off. You can see they're hot. They've been here for about 8 minutes. So what I'm going to do is pour this into my glass bowl. You're gonna hear some cracking. I'm gonna move this over a little bit. I'll get you in the frame a little better. There we go. Are you ready? It's gonna crack. You hear that? Sizzle, sizzle. I'm just gonna put my pan back here. My stove is off. Oh, yes, they've cracked already. Awesome. So that is very fast. I'm just going to grab my towel here and give it a wipe off. And you can see they've cracked. So with that, we're going to go over to the table and I'll show you how to put them, break them up. All right, so I'm gonna flip you over and we'll be right back. Maybe. Sorry, guys. Here we go. Okay, we're back. I have my hammer. I have a little face cloth. And I've got my cracked glass. And we're just going to flip it over, one hit, and it didn't work. And it didn't work. Wow. You've seen that took a couple hits, but you can now be very careful. It's broken glass. Do not do what I'm doing. Please be careful. So this is what you end up with, which is nice. I prefer the chunky, but if you don't want it chunky, you can give it another smack and proceed with that. I watched another video where somebody was using this mirrored effect. So I'm gonna break a bunch and then I'm gonna spray paint some of them and we'll come back. So I'm gonna keep doing this. I'll do a couple more here so you can see what I'm doing. That's hilarious. Maybe if I turned it so the dome was... There you go. Turn the dome upside down, it'll crack a little better. That is funny. The only other thing I can think is maybe cook them a little longer. There. That is hilarious. I'm gonna have to go and take this outside. Okay, we're out on the deck. I'm gonna try to break these and let's see what happens. So I'm gonna, you can see they're all cracked, which is kind of cool. Okay, here we go. I've got my hammer. I'm gonna flip it over and give it a good couple taps. And it breaks. So you can go as many or as little that you want. And it is so sparkly, you can see. So I'm gonna keep breaking and see how that works. You have to hit them pretty hard. There you go. I was doing it on the table inside, but it didn't quite. I was afraid to do that. There you go. To hit it hard, I'm not hitting it hard, that's why they're not breaking. Couple hits. There we go. And that's, you can really see it in the sun. I'm going to bring it up. So that's kind of what you get. And you could use that in your paintings. So now I'm going to bring it back inside. We'll be back in a sec. If I can find my button. Okay, so now we're back inside. I've got my glass all broke up here. I have a mirror. Hello. We are going to use that. I can't find a big towel. So I'm taking my mirror, I'm folding it in half over top my face cloth, taking my hammer, my little hammer, and I'm just gonna try and break it. Nothing wants to work. Let's do it upside down. There we go. So I'm gonna put the big pieces over here. And this is how we're gonna get our mirror in there. Pardon the noise. And that's where you're gonna get that chunks of mirror. So you can keep breaking it up however small you want it. I'm gonna go a couple little small pieces here. Sorry, you have a mute button if this is bothering you, but you can even break it with your hands. Just be careful, please, please be careful. I don't want to get emails saying that you've all cut yourselves. All right, here we go. And we'll do one more time, and then I'll mix them together. Maybe a little bit more. And it depends. Sorry. It depends on what you use as well. I'm going to mix that in there. There's some big pieces. So you get the gist of what I'm doing. Okay, this is not perfect. But if you're in desperate need for some bling, let me get a plate that I can show you what that actually looks like. Here. And of course my plates are not plain. So let's see. So that's what it looks like. Broken glass and mirror. And again, like I said, it might not be what you want. But if you're in dire need, this could be for you. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to pour it on my table. And you can see. There you go. That's a better way to do it instead of that plate, because the plate's all. So what I'm going to do is the canvas that I painted yesterday, I will, let's bring it down a little bit. I will make it with this. And I'll show you. I'm going to open my bag. It's not quite the same, but you know what? If, like I said, if you can't get it, see, it's not quite the same. But I think that it's, let's bring you in, if you can come in tight. Yeah. This is the homemade. Let me, sorry you're shaking. Let me do the, and this is the, let me bring it so you can see both. And this is the store-bought comparison. I gotta go forward. So yeah, so it's whatever you want, you know. Now also, I found this is the stuff that I would have rather had. It's from IKEA. This is what it is. I'm gonna bring you back now. Whoops, not forward. Technology and me. I apologize, people. So this is what I would have preferred. It is the same idea. It is a decorative filler. These are in with the candles in the IKEA stores. So over in Europe, you might be able to get these as opposed to, see, and it is the exact. Because when I was trying to purchase, this was my glass of choice, but where I am, I could not get it. So, yeah. So with that being said, I also seen another video where they, after they broke these, they spray painted them with this mirrored effect. But I tried it and to me it didn't look nice. So I thought I had this little round mirror kicking around that we would try that, and I actually think that would work. So with that being said, I'm going to finish crushing all of this and the mirror, and I am going to make one with this stuff. So that will be coming up next. So I hope you all have a wonderful, today is hump day, isn't it? Today's Wednesday. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. Yes, my spray paint yesterday, as par for my life, absolutely nothing goes right. If you're having an issue with the nozzle, this can be removed, see? And when I opened up the second can, this is the part that broke. So my whole brand new can I couldn't use. So what I would do with this is, if you're having the issue that I was having, I was just trying to videotape, so I was trying to do something quick. But what I would personally have done, taken this off, I would have soaked it in some acetone, some nail polish remover, or even run it under some hot water, just to unclog it. And then that would have rectified what I had done yesterday. So anyways, just thought I'd throw that out there. So I hope you have a wonderful day. I will get at this painting this afternoon, and I will put that up tomorrow just to let you see how it looks with the homemade one. So anyways, thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet, please do. And hopefully I'm getting all your answers to your questions that you've been asking. And hit that thumbs up and hit the bell so you get notifications the next time I put up a video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.